You've been told that time heals everything, that if you just wait long enough, the pain will fade, the memories will blur, and one day you'll wake up, fixed, whole, healed. But let me ask you this. If time heals all wounds, why are you still bleeding? Why do you still flinch when you hear their name? Why does the silence at night still scream louder than a crowd? Why does the past still feel like the present? I'll tell you why. Because time doesn't heal you. It hides you. It buries your scars under distractions, addictions, routines. It buries your trauma under responsibilities and fake smiles. But buried pain is not dead pain. It rots. It leaks. It poisons the parts of you you're trying to rebuild. So stop waiting. Stop hoping that the clock will fix what the blade broke. Healing is not passive. It's violent. It's deliberate. It's messy. You want healing? Then tear it open. Drag your pain into the light. Name it. Stare it in the face. Bleed out the lies. Cut out the fantasy that time is your friend. Because time doesn't care. It moves forward, with or without you. So stop waiting for time. Start choosing the wound. Choose to feel it fully. Choose to rebuild. Piece by broken piece. That's the truth they don't want to tell you. Not everyone heals. Some people just get good at pretending. But you are not made to pretend. You are made to confront. The weak wait, the strong reveal. So reveal your wound, and finally begin to live. You've been lied to. Now you know.